These brownie bites are perfect for Valentine's Day, but really you can make them any time of the year. Who doesn't love chocolate and salted caramel? And it's just a great little treat. Here's what you need for this recipe. Your favorite boxed brownie mix. I love this one because it's double chocolate, and all you need for it is a melted stick of butter, a little bit of water, and 2 eggs. For my 2 eggs, it's always a good rule of thumb to crack them into a bowl, just in case you get any shells. This is one of those recipes that I love doing with my 4- and 2-year-old because they can both take turns adding the mixes, and it's only a few short steps. So I have my brownie batter. Now I'm just going to prep my mini muffin tins using a little bit of nonstick cooking spray. I love this little guy because I can just put my favorite oil and create my own spray, and it's reusable. Using my little mini cookie scoop. You don't want to fill it all the way to the top because we're going to stuff it with our caramel chocolate. For our chocolate, I'm using these Dove salted caramel chocolates. They're perfect for Valentine's. They have this cute little foil wrapper so you could spell out I love you and stuff, but I also love how it has salted caramel on the inside. So I'm gonna take one of these chocolates and push it into the brownie batter. Nice little gooey, salty surprise. And then just take a little bit of that brownie batter and cover it on top. These brownie bites are so delicious, but I just really love how you can add any chocolate candy you want, especially around Valentine's Day. They always have so many cool candies that you can only get during this time of the year. These are super special because they have that salted caramel. Something that our family loves to do, especially during holidays, is do bacon shares. So I will bake something with my kiddos, and then we will go around to our neighbors and deliver them little treats. And I think this is just such a perfect treat for Valentine's. I'm gonna keep filling my muffin tins with just a little bit of brownie batter, the chocolate caramel, and then topping it with more brownie batter. And then I'm gonna bake both of these tins for about 18 to 22 minutes in an oven that's been preheating at 350 degrees. It smells so good in here. I can't hardly wait. Now, once your brownies have slightly cooled, it's time to add your frosting. Now, I'm using this caramel topping because I think it's really gonna play nicely with the salted caramel candies that are hidden inside. But you could use any frosting you want, a buttercream, a cream cheese, a dark chocolate ganache. I'm adding some flaky sea salt too for a little crunch and just to intensify that chocolate and salty flavor combo with the caramel. And then because it's me and I love sprinkles and I have a whole entire sprinkle collection, which can be another video, I'm going to top these with these tiny little pink pearls. I think if we made these in a regular muffin tin, you wouldn't be able to get through one because they're so rich. I cannot wait to try one. They're so pretty. They're like too pretty to eat almost. This one is calling my name. Oh, look at that melted caramel. Oh, wow. Oh my gosh. Oh, these are so good. I love how you get that caramel topping, the crunch from the brownie, the chewiness from the caramel chocolate candy, and then the flaky sea salt just really ties it all together. These are so good. I hope you enjoy these as much as my family does. I wanna know what your favorite Valentine's Day treat is. Let me know in the comment box below. I'm Brandy, and I'll see you next time. Bye.